Welcome to Babel Street Match Studio, Understanding the Score Matrix demo. The Score Matrix is a feature of Match Studio's Compare page that breaks down the matched tokens through match reasons and their individual scores. It can inform you how to adjust parameters, and it's also a great way to visualize how name matching works. Paul Flamburis will be walking through the demo today. Let's get started.
We'll start by navigating to the Compare page. Now we'll need to choose two names to compare. Let's pick Thomas Jacob Evans and T.J. Evans. Then we'll select Compare and scroll down to the Score Matrix. Each block on the Score Matrix indicates that the corresponding tokens are being compared. Tokens are the building blocks of a word, name, or phrase. A section of text may be comprised of multiple tokens, and NLP software breaks text into individual tokens to get a better sense of how it is structured. In the case of name matching, the similarity of individual tokens is calculated and their scores are used to determine a final score for the full names. The tokens are also normalized to clean up the text, in this case by standardizing the capitalization. This straight line of descending blocks is an indicator of a good match. It means that each pair of tokens being compared is in order. The match type column tells us the relationship between the tokens being compared. We can hover over any entry to get more information. Here we have two initial matches and a match between identical tokens. In the rightmost columns, Match Studio quantifies the token matches with a raw score and a context score. The difference between the raw score and the context score is that the context score takes into account things like token position and weight. Here, the scores are identical because the tokens are in order. Let's see what happens when we make the names less similar. We can immediately tell that the tokens are out of order because we no longer have a straight line of descending blocks. This affects the context score, which is now lower than the raw score for both initial matches. The match reason for Evans and Edward has also changed to HMM match. Hovering over the match type tells us what this means. The tokens are similar, but not identical. Let's recap what we've learned. Match Studio compares names by normalizing them, breaking them down into tokens, and comparing the tokens. Each block in the score matrix indicates that the corresponding tokens are being compared. The match type tells you the relationship between the tokens being compared. The raw score and context score quantify the token similarity, with context score taking weight and reordering into account.